faster S3 dual-core processors and W2 Apple wireless chips power the Series 3 models, which also feature all the following. Built-in GPS and spirometric altimeter, heart rate sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope, ambient light sensor. Series speaks. 16GB capacity ceramic back, second generation ALD retina display with Force Touch, 1000 nits display, INX glass on aluminum case models, 272x 340 pixels, 38mm cases. The Apple Watch Series 3 keeps getting cheaper. Back at the start of June, Amazon had it on sale for $179. Now the black GPS model has been discounted to $169. That's $30 off the usual $199 list price and the lowest we've seen since last year's Black Friday deals.